Alright guys, here's how to replace the battery on this key fob for this Lexus CT. First, slide this pin and pull the spare key out. Make sure to remove any key cover or case that you have on it. Now to separate the plastic housing, wedge the key here and twist gently until both sides start separating. Work your way around until it's completely separated. Now you can pull the board up in order to remove it. Now, in order to remove the battery, there are 3 plastic clips that you want to release first. So you can just go around with the key or with a small plastic pry tool and unclip the 3 plastic clips. Then you can go from the side and pry up on the battery until it's free. Take your replacement 1632 battery and push it into place until you hear a click like this. Now put the board back into its area, make sure it's aligned, and press both sides of the key fob housing until you hear it click into place. Make sure that all of the sides are clicked in. Finally, put the emergency key back into its place until it clicks in, and you're all done. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing. And as always, I will be sure to link the battery as well as the key cover that I have on my key fob in the description below.